Describe the person you saw just now.
Well, one thing I can say is that he's white. Not Caucasian, white.
He seems to have a ponytail. Quite a long one, long ponytail.
He looks like a white lion, kind of like the lion. But when I called him that, I think I heard a growl.
I mean, of course, that's a part of him that's also black.
Blue glowing eyes.
Or something coming out from behind the visor.
Nothing like anything I've seen.
Do you think he's a hero or a villain?
The guys that he was fighting kind of looked evil, so yeah, and he looked kind of like nice and friendly.
And it looked like he was helping the people. Appears to be.
Personally, I think he could be a hero.
Siapa kita, tunjukkan mereka. We will never fade away, just hold your ground and stay. Antara kita, tiada beza. Overcome your mind and fear the enemy within. Siapa kita, tunjukkan mereka. Overcome your mind and fear the enemy within.
Hello, thank you for watching. If you want to see more about Sacred Guardian Singa or the Sacred Guardians, please feel free to subscribe below and help us press the like button. Thank you!